Hi, once again, my name is Ahmad Jite. I am back here to just make this demonstration. Anyways, I've worked on this already, but I'm just gonna quickly go over it and uh, just to demonstrate. Already, we have PG Admin 4. We've already run our program, and it's okay. The database and tables are created. The information here is entered, and everything is in good hands. And so we just go into our application and Python. I did it in Python, and I've already done the installation of our um, library, PSYCOP 2, and I'm just going to run. This is generally the code. We have database name, the user, the password, local host, and the port number that all of us are using as students. And then we have a function here that establishes a connection to the PostgreSQL database. We also have a function that retrieves and display all records from students, and that is get all students as per the specification. We also have add student function. We have update email, student email, and also delete all students. And then we have a main function, and we connect our database here. So I'm just going to go very quickly and just run this program. I ran it already, and as I've said, I've already made installations of necessary libraries. So you have options 1 to 5, one being get all students. Already I have added and updated a lot in my student stuff. So all I'm going to do is to start with part 1, and that is going to get you all students. And as you know, it was 1, 2, 3 that we were provided with, but I have added 5, 6, 11, and 12. So what I am going to do is perhaps delete 12, delete 11, delete 6. So I'm going to start with well, let me just add a student, which is number 2. So number 2 is add a student. I'll have a first student, that is John is the first name. Last name is HUA, John Hua. And email will be Hua, Hua at carlton.ca. And the enrollment date is 2019 and 09, 15th of September. So we have successfully added John. So if you get one, you will see John who are being added with this email and enrollment date. And we can update a student email. We have number 3. I am updating. We can have student ID. Let's again the same John. Let's have John with ID number 13. So I have John's ID, which is number 13. The new email of John now is be boy at cmail.com. So that's what I do. And we have now John's email being updated. John Hua. Mind you, there are 2 Johns. So when I go to one now, John now is no longer Hua at carlton.ca. He's now boy at cmail.com. Number 4 is to delete. So I am going to delete. The ID is again, let me use ID number 12 to get rid of Victor. I have ID number 12. Is deleted now. When you go to number 1 again, ID number 12 is not here. Victor is done. We can also delete ID number 11. So number 4 again, and ID number 11 is also successfully deleted when you press number 1. Now number 11 is no longer there. I can also remove number 6. Let's say number 4, number 6 deleted. And I can also delete number 13. And they're all deleted. So number 1 again. So you have only five, and I have Vicky there, and that's it. If you press 5, we exit. So everything is okay now for this part, and you go to my GitHub. I have everything here. So I'm going to add, I'm going to update this. This is downloading PIP install PSY copy, and you also have the way you should running the program, Python application.py. This one has to do with the database. You run the SQL file in PSQL or pgadmin to create the data, the tables necessary to run the program, and those are the data we were supplied with, and as well as the table that we have to create, which I show you in PG admin here. This is the data we were supplied with, and here is the table we created, and this is here. Basically, that's all from us. Thank you so much for